the Weaver of Miraflor. In the village of Mistwood Vale, where fog clung to the mountains like old regrets and the rivers hummed lullabies no one remembered the words to, lived an old woman named Jacinta. She had spent her life weaving tapestries, not for gold nor for glory, but for silence. For the rhythm of the loom, the comfort of threads passing through her fingers, the illusion that the world could be arranged, pattern by pattern, into something permanent. Her home was filled with cloth, spirals of galaxies, rivers of thread, sunbursts stitched in ochre and ash. But in all her years, Jacinta never wove a face. Faces changed, threads unraveled. She had lost too many. A brother to war, a daughter to the sea, a husband to the ache of his own mind. She feared that if she wove them, she'd pin them in time, and if time moved on, it would tear the cloth. So she stuck to skies, landscapes, abstract swirls without memory. Until one day, a boy came to her door, mud on his feet, a question in his hands. "They say you stitch the stars," he did. "Can you make something that feels like home?" Jacinta wanted to say no. She didn't know this boy, didn't know his grief or what he called home. But his eyes, wide restless, reminded her of her daughters, the way she looked when she asked why waves took things without asking. Jacinta set to work, not from plan, but from feeling. This time she let her memories guide the needle, not just her own, but those she'd carried for others. The laughter, the sorrow, the silence between goodbyes. She wove the boy's question into a tapestry that shimmered with mountains and moonlight, waves and worn hands, a face not distinct but familiar, like someone you've loved in a dream and forgotten by morning. When she handed it to him, the boy pressed it to his chest. "It feels like I belong," he whispered. And Jacinta, for the first time in her long life, wept not from loss, but from return. She turned to her loom and whispered, "We're never just threads. We're the cloth we come from, and the cloth we leave behind." Then she took her oldest tapestry, the one stitched in solitude, and laid it outside on the earth, letting wind and rain slowly carry it home. A single thread may fray, but the tapestry remembers its pattern. In the next story, we return to clarity and discover how to hold steady when the world misunderstands you. Click the card and continue.